the best supplement to help boost your immune system. Number 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, an antioxidant, essential for immune cells function and production, and also reduces the severity of cold and flu. Number 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, a fat-soluble vitamin. It regulates the immune system and reduces the risk of infection. Number 3. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that is essential for immune function and activation. They called as a gatekeeper of your immune system. Can help in wound healing as well. Number 4. Iron. Essentials for cells function and production, and also reduces the risk of infection. Number 5. Selenium. Has antioxidant property and also protect immune cells from damage. Number 6. Echinacea. It boosts the immune function and reduces the severity of cold and flu. Number 7. Garlic has antimicrobial properties and also support the immune system. Number 8. Ginseng enhances immune function and reduces inflammation and also reduces stress. Number 9. Ashwagandha supports immune system and also reduces stress and anxiety. Number 10. Elderberry has antiviral properties and also reduces the severity of your cold and flu.